Welcome to this full golf membership, first floor and unit veranda in Bonita National. Come check it out. As you walk in this veranda, you'll notice the kitchen with a full eat-in dining area, as well as a full bar with open view to the living room and formal dining room. Beautiful master bedroom with a walk-in shower and bathtub. Some of the key features are the stainless steel appliance suite, granite countertops, and impact-resistant sliders and windows. There's tons of natural light in this veranda. And the nice thing about the end unit is you'll get the extra window on the side of the house. This bundled golf community features a resort-style pool with waterfall feature, as well as a spa. While you're at the pool, you can enjoy a cocktail or light bite at the poolside cafe. There's also two other dining options, the club dining room, as well as the bistro room. You'll love a day at the Utopia Spa, which offers massage, facials, mani and pedi, just to name a few. Or if you're looking for something a little bit more active, you can check out the fitness studio, tennis courts, bocce, or pickleball. Thank you for watching my video today of this beautiful veranda. You'll love the 9th fairway view and the western exposure from your lanai.